pushed Azande over the balcony. When they were fighting about Azande stealing her idea, now it rings that Uzoleka was right about Azande all along. Josie Power moves from Kusela to Zondo Technologies, and Sydney is happy that he had Mawetu, but this celebration is short-lived when Tlengiwe comes with news that Ulande is being attacked in prison. The Mamandla start over a new leaf and build their family. Now Zetu's hitting her shot ku Xolani. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Kawe walked into Azande's apartment and found that Azande is actually backstabbing her. He wants to register idea as his own invention. Like, imagine her whole idea, while all this time he's been lying and saying, we're going to do this together. I'm going to break your idea. I'm going to break your plan. And Azande wants to steal the idea. Whereas I can feel something is off, man. Tries to call Kawe, but Kawe is not picking up. Lazarus was like, no, leave her alone, man. Kawe is impulsive but reasonable. And then the next thing, Ukawe goes home, like furious, goes home trying to look at Mama, there's no one. Ama chest pains when she started realizing Mawake has been right all along, telling her Azande is using you to get back at us. But Ukawe thought her mom was just not supporting her. And her mom was just trying to protect her, but Ukawe went ahead and trusted Azande over her own mom. Imagine. And now Ukawe can realize this, yo, I was a fool. I made a big mistake. Azande was going to steal idea, okay? And then Uzoleka phones Ukawe again. Ukawe picks up this time and says, I'm in the house. She's even crying. She rushed home to go and see Ukawe. Azande is going to follow Ukawe home. Kawa is busy telling him, please leave before my mom gets here. I want nothing to do with you. I know you wanted to steal my idea. It's fine. Azande is like, no, let me explain. You're not letting me explain, man. Let me explain. I didn't want to steal it. In Kinga Opil, I think the person that's finding the idea, and said that they must use Azande so that it can be fast-tracked because Ukawe is still new. She's unproven. Exactly what her mom was telling her. But Azande lied to her because she hid that truth from her. And then Ukawe is like, nope, I'm going to Kusela and tell them everything good when I wanted to steal my idea. But Azande is like, no, that's going to destroy me. I can't let you do that. Azande holds Ukawe. Ukawe pushed to Azande because she was trying to stop her from going. Azande then fell off the balcony. So he fell on the pool. Now Ukawe is shocked. She's scared, actually shaking because what just happened? It was just an argument. She was just trying to break away. She did not expect that to happen. Now Azande is floating on the pool. Like, what just happened? And then Mawetu then comes to tell Zondo he just begged Josie Power. Josie Power is moving to Zondo Technologies. They're leaving Kusela. Apparently their contract ends in end of May. So 1 June they're starting with Zondo Technologies. Akasajablanga Zondo because firstly it was a capital bank. Now it's Josie Power. Like that's like they're poaching all clients, amankulu ye Kusela. So now Zondo is like, yes, I made a big a good decision by hiring you because Sonjika, what is Sonjika doing? Like, he's doing all things good. I think Mawit is also enjoying his job as on the technologies because he's being recognized and he's being given the platform to actually excel. He goes home wanting to celebrate, pops champagne. Tlengiwe arrives, utumthathela glass to pour for her. Tlengiwe refuses, saying Ulandle was attacked. Just the short celebration Sydney was short-lived when Tlengiwe came with a picture Lwandle ebondiwe ke, but Ulandle was attacked because apparently he refused to do something. So nje bamshayile bambondile la kumabokoboko. Now Tlengiwe is like, no, I'm not going to sit like this. These people are going to kill my son. We need to get him out of there. Zondo is like, nope, that's not going to happen to my son. I won't let my son die. I'm sure now Zondo is going to do something saying good to Ulandle suyashaya manje jail. And then the Mabandlas ke uThumeka noHlathi they all lovey-dovey, and now that the family knows, they want to start afresh. And even Uhlathi asked Uthumeka to move back into the bedroom. And this time around, she agreed. And then they sat down Uyanga, apologized for how everything has been transpiring, the confusion, the pain, and that Uyanga also spiraled and they all made mistakes. And they apologized. Uyanga also apologized and said, you raised a good child. And Yantembi said, I'm going to do better from now on. Now they're starting afresh as a family. It seems nice because I feel like Uyanga will not spiral anymore now that the family is back and united again. And then Zethu no Xolani, they're outing, oh wait, because Uthandeka told Xolani to stay away from Zethu because uyingodi soka likamva. It's gonna be cause so much pain in the family if he pursues Zethu. He tries to avoid her. Zethu is busy asking for a lift, but Xolani refused and said he's going back straight home. Cosmo. Now, Uzethu got his number Xolani on the register and sent him a voice note. I'm just checking up on you. I saw things were tense. You're a bit distant. I hope I did not ever step. As the time I was listening to this voice note, Benzan, why is Zethu shooting a shot? Can she just leave Xolani alone? Like, can she not see this thing is gonna be bad? From Likamva to cousin Xolani? No man. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.